Hello and welcome to this video. As you've probably seen from the last couple of videos, I've invested in a new iPhone 14 Pro and also the Apple Watch Series 8. So I thought I'd treat myself. It's been a while. I have gone to get some screen protector. Usually I haven't bothered from the last couple of ones, although there's this a slight little scratch in my 12 Pro. So I thought, you know what, I'll get one just to sort of keep the value of it, get my teeth back in, keep the value of it up over time. So Apple's charge about £35 for one. I think the Belkin or something. I think they do replace them if they do crack or whatever, but it's quite a significant investment when you can look on eBay and Amazon and get them for 2-3 quid or whatever. I'm sure they're much of a muchness for the most part. But there is a shop around the corner from the Apple store, and I just nip in because I was getting a screen protector for the 12 Pro. You probably can maybe just see that now, and you can see it just comes just slightly to the edges, if you can see that properly or not. But like all screen protectors, sometimes they don't cover the whole ground. But this was a tenner, and I thought, you know what, I couldn't be bothered to sort of wait for one to come and deliver it, so I thought I'd get it. But they've also got one for the 14 Pro. So this is called a Emperor Glass. It's a Series 9D tempered glass, so it all sounds hunky dory. It is for the 14 Pro, and I'm probably sure if I have a look on eBay, I'll probably get this a bit cheaper than what I've paid here. But this is obviously a store which obviously has rates and rent to pay, etc., and bills. So you know what, every now and again, just to invest in the local community can't be a bad thing. But anyway, it is a mind-boggling £24.99. So not cheap by any stretch of the imagination, but still cheaper than Apple. But what did attract me for this particular one is, and it just shows you, if you can see at the bottom there, it says edge to edge 9-hour glass shield or 9H glass shield, but rather than all the sort of the numbers and whatnot, it was the actual edge to edge. So the chap who in the shop who's going to fit this for me, I might do it myself, I don't know, we'll have an unboxing and a quick look. He showed me his, and it was really nice to actually see the glass coming right up to the edge, just not falling short. So that looked quite swanky, and I think once that's attached and I've got the case on there, I've bought the leather case from Apple, and this was £60. So I don't usually pay £60 for a case, but I'm in two minds whether I'm going to drop this one back. But anyway, I think once it's in a case with that, it will look quite nice. But let's have a quick look what's in what's in the box. This will actually give me a decision whether I'm going to fit it myself or not. So go for a quick unravel and see what's in here. What does 24.99 get you these days? As I do these myself, and I usually do a good job. But, I was quite impressed with the way the guy did it today in the shop. I said he must do it day in, day out. And he said it fitted for me, so I might just do that. I've got to go to the shop anyway, you see, so it's not as if I'm going on a journey just for one thing. Anyway, I digress. So let's have a quick look what's inside this box. Get that out of the way. Really unbox it. Okay. Quite nice there. Got the plastic shirts, which we can take off. And then you can see there's inside the base, you've got some kind of pamphlet or container that will probably have the glass in there as well. And a nice big logo lying there with the crown, the king of the jungle. And if I unbox this, see what else is coming in here. And some are really, really nice with what you get. That's about it on that one. And these are your installation auxiliary tools, very fancy. So stuck inside this bag, we've got wet wipes, we've just got one of them. We've got dry wipes, we've got one of those, and then we've got the dust absorber. So we use the wet wipe to clean the dust and the oil. We use the dry wipe to clean the water and rest dust, and then we use the dust absorber for the final clean. Then from the glass, we simply have the back logo there. It's edge to edge, as it says. I guess it's just a case of that peels back and on it goes. But yeah, obviously your 24.99 doesn't get you a lot for this, but I'm going to trust that the stuff is fairly decent quality. I think based on that, I'm going to, as I say, get the lad in the shop to do it for me. But yeah, it looks quite good. And as I said, the finish is really nice because it does go right to the edge of your phone. So there's going to be no little gaps and no, I suppose, ugly looking protector in your screen. So if you are interested, there you are. It's the Emperor Glass. And that's for the 14 Pro. I assume they do it for the others as well. And it is edge to edge glass shield. So as I said, it takes it right to the edge of your phone. So have a look. You might find them on eBay, and you might get them for a bit cheaper than what I've paid. Granted, it's not your £3 for two, but I guess this one may be a little bit more. But I'm guessing it's going to be significantly cheaper than what I paid for it. But I hope that was of use, and thanks for watching.